Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your flight ticket date with Emirates step by step. So let's dive in. First things first, open any web browser on your phone or computer. Now this can be Google, Chrome, Safari, or anything you prefer. And in the search bar, you want to type in emirates.com and press enter to visit this website that you're now seeing. Now once you're on the homepage, you want to look for manage option at the top of the screen and click on it. Under this section, you'll see an option called change your booking. You want to go ahead and select that. Then on the next page, you'll be asked to enter two details. First, you want to type in your last name exactly as you entered it when booking the ticket. Next, enter your booking reference. This is a 6-character code made up of letters and numbers that appears on your ticket or confirmation email. Then after entering both details, just simply click on Retrieve Booking. And this will take you to your booking management page, and then from there, you'll be able to view your flight details, including your travel dates and departure times. Now, below here is also a guide to do this. So after achieving booking info, just select the option to change your flight or modify dates. Then you want to choose your new travel date, review any fare difference or change fees, and then confirm the update. And that's it. That's how you can easily change your flight ticket date with Emirates Online. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!